What's up, guys? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel, Mom's Kitchen with the Boys. And as always, you know who we have, our lovely mom over here.
Hello everyone, good to see you again.
Alright, guys, it's Children's Day, May 27th.
Yeah, today is
And
Children's Day.
Day.
So this is Children's Edition.
Yeah, Children's Day edition. And it's my mom's wedding anniversary. So yeah, happy anniversary, mom.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Anyways, guys, now let's get to cooking. So these are ingredients. So what we're going to do today is called, mom, please.
Fried fish and pepper sauce.
Alright, hear from her.
Then,
so you have to go.
You know, children like rice a lot, so we are still going to make jollof rice.
But if you want to not make jollof rice, you have that video already on the channel. You could go. There's going to be a card up here somewhere, So yeah, you can go and check the video out. But yeah, today is just about the sauce.
On the fish and the sauce.
So these are ingredients. We have our tomato paste, our ginger and garlic, peeled and cleared, washed. These are carrots, pepper, lettuce, no onion, spring onion. Then our tomato and pepper.
This is the pepper we're going to be using for the sauce.
And our fish.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Big man.
That's the ingredients. So now let's just get cooking.
In goes the fish. As you can see, the fish is well fried. I load the gas. I lower it so that it will be dry. It will be crispy. Okay, you understand? Crispy and crunchy. So that's it. Okay. Because I did not use flour. Some people use multi-purpose flour to rub it so it will not break. As you can see, I didn't do that. I just washed the fish. I leave it under the sun. I leave it under the sun so the sun dried it for me very well. So as you can see, it's intact, no pieces. So friends, I'm putting the onion. I'm about to do the pepper sauce. So in here is my garlic and ginger. Add a little. Stir it. Okay. So the oil I use in frying the fish, I turn it aside, I wash the pan, and now transfer it back to the pan. So I'm using the same oil to make the pepper sauce. Here is the pepper. It's all true pepper. There's no tomato. So if you don't want it to be too spicy, just add a little. Okay. So that's it. I want to make it a bit big. So I think this amount of pepper should be enough. Okay. So you keep stirring it for about 3 to 5 minutes. This is it. This is about after 5 to 6 minutes. So I'm going to be adding this little piece of seasoning. Okay, see my hand?
No, yeah, we see the Maggi.
Alright. Do it professionally.
Professionally is bringing your hand down and breaking it.
Then a little bit of spring onion. Yeah, so just garnish it, okay? Alright. So friends, I'm done cutting the veggies. So I'll be checking the rice now. Oh, there's still what I need. Okay, but I just have to put my veggies in. I think it's the right time. But it's too soft. It's much. Okay, that's it. I will cover it and allow it to cook for a while. So friends, as you can see, the pepper is ready. So I'll just take the fish just like this. I'll wrap it, just like that. That's how you're going to do one after another till you finish doing this. Okay.
Listen, wash your hand though.
My hand is well washed.
I mean, like after you're done.
Okay. If not, the pepper will. So just like that, you get another one.
Alright guys, we are done. Look at the fish sauce down. So yeah, this is the fish sauce. What we're going to make officially. So this is it. But as for the rice is this. This is jollof rice. If you're not to make jollof rice, I said there we have videos in the channel on how to make jollof rice. Just go to the channel and you see it. Anyways, guys, that's it for the video. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment, and
subscribe. Comment down. Yeah. So, in case you don't understand, today is Children's Day in Nigeria, not all over the world, just in Nigeria. So, thank you so much. I love you guys. You guys are the best. If you are a child, you will be watching my video. Please comment. If you like what we made today, please comment. Okay. Thank you so much. If you are a mother also, your child like cooking, let us know also. Thank you so much.
Please.
Thank you.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And guys, we'll see you in the next one.
Stay healthy.
Eat healthy.
Eat healthy. We love you.
Bye.